Hey everyone, based on the figure below, we're going to write a congruence statement for the triangles. Then we're going to write congruence statements for the sides and angles. So let's look at this. Our triangles are congruent, and we know these angles are congruent. These sides are congruent. We know that this side is congruent to itself. So the way I want, and we also know these angles are going to be congruent by our third angle congruence. So when you write it, let's just write the first one, A, B, D. So triangle A, B, D. Now that's congruent to, and the way you want to write it is what matches up. So A angle matches up with C. So you're going to write triangle C, and now B has the 2 marks. So that's going to be D here, because D has also the congruent angles there. And finally, the last one for D, D goes with B. So this is going to be B. So just match everything up to make sure it matches. Now for your sides, you can either look at the triangle or the you can look at your statement. So for our angles, you can just say angle A is congruent to angle C. In fact, that's how we wrote it. And angle B is congruent to angle D. And angle D is congruent to angle B. All right. And then for our sides, you can do the same thing. You can say AB is congruent to CD. And then you could say BD is congruent to DB. That side. That's your reflexive property. And then finally, we want to do AD, or we'll just say DA. DA is congruent to BC. Now, I just looked at the statement here, but you could also have looked at the 2 triangles. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.